Welcome to 1057 Los Padres Terrace. This is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Welcome everyone to our exclusive virtual open house event for 1057 Los Padres Terrace, located here in Union City. Traditionally, you'd come out and see this home on the weekends at an open house, but because of COVID, we've had to adjust, adapt, and overcome to our circumstances. And so what I'm going to do today is walk you through this home, show you every nook and cranny, in the hopes that if you like what you see here today, that you will schedule an in-person showing and a time to come see it. You really owe it to yourselves to experience this home in person. But until then, welcome everyone to 1057 Los Padres Terrace. Welcome home, everyone. As you walk in, you'll notice this beautiful living room area, lots of space for the family here. And everyone say hi to J-Rod. He's the man behind the camera. J-Rod, just show him every single nook and cranny of this place. You see this really nice hardwood style flooring here. Nice high ceilings, as well as really elegant baseboards line the bottom here of the home. Obviously, as you can see on your screen, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-family home. We are in a planned unit development here, so this does have an HOA, and we'll go into what that covers here in a second. But what J-Rod is showing you right now is the dining area within the kitchen. So really, we have this open concept here that you'll see in a lot of more modern type homes, where we have this nice great room open concept where the kitchen, the living room, the dining room, they're all combined into one. And so we have that here at 1057 Los Padres. We also, as you can see, have a Nest thermostat installed. We do have central cooling as well as central heating. The HVAC was actually replaced within the last year in 2020. So sellers are really proud of that, and that is definitely an expense that you will not have to take on. Brand new HVAC here installed at the property. As you can see, the kitchen here, J-Rod's gonna show you the entire kitchen. The refrigerator's been recently replaced. So take them through the kitchen, J-Rod. And I know that I said the property had 2 bathrooms. It actually has 2.5, because we have this powder room here, this half bathroom. J-Rod, go ahead, show them the half bath here. And here in the main living space as well, we have the 2-car garage. Here in this 2-car garage, to your left, we also have the washer dryer. Plenty of space here in this garage. It's not a cramped 2-car garage. You can definitely fit 2 very medium to large size cars here. They'll fit just fine. So downstairs you have your living space, and upstairs you have your bedrooms. J-Rod is going to show the first of 3 bedrooms here. Now, one of the things I really love about this area is how many diverse restaurants and really, really highly rated restaurants there are around the community. We have, just to name a few, the Ocean Bar, which is mostly seafood. We have Pacific Poorhouse, which is a tap room, as well as American food. Really, really delicious kind of comfort food, as well as Tang's House, which is Korean. which is a Korean restaurant, very highly rated. All three of those restaurants are very highly rated. Here we have the second bedroom. And the kids' bathroom as well. Speaking of kids, in terms of schooling, we have Hillview Crest Elementary, Cesar Chavez Middle School, and the highly coveted, highly renowned James Logan High School as well. As you walk into the master, the HOA, I know a lot of people are going to be wondering, what does the HOA cover? Well, it is $165 a month. It covers basic exterior maintenance of the community, not of the property. It also covers security. There's a gated entry to the community, so it pays for the security guard plus the gate, as well as the two common areas. There are two common areas on the property or in the community. There's a basketball court on one side of the community, as well as a playground on the other side. So definitely lots to do within this little HOA, Innovations HOA community. So that's it, everyone. If you love what you see here, I highly encourage all of you to come check this home out in person. You really owe it to yourselves. It shows absolutely beautifully. You're really gonna love it. If you have any questions about the property, if you'd like to see disclosures, if you'd like to see inspection reports, anything at all, you can reach out to us at the number down below. But until then, everyone, again, this is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. I'll catch all of you in the next one.